श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Dear friends, now I am commencing chapter 60 of Sai Baba's Satchitra. Shama said to Baba, Deva, do not force me to accept another goddess when you are to me all god and goddesses. I cannot believe you accepting the worship of another goddess at this stage. Then Baba said, you came to me seeing a Saptasringi Devi in me. You better go to Vanipuri and found me in the idol of Saptasringi goddess. If you see your master in all masters, if you see your master in the idols present in all temples, that only signifies your steadfast devotion towards your master. Then only you know that your master is all-pervasive God. You listen to me and go to Vanipuri. There you know the purpose behind my telling. Now hear the story of Saptasringi goddess. That is Vanipuri. The person you are seeing in front of his house uttering Sai Sai is the priest of Saptasringi temple, Kakaji Vaidya. He is a pious person and a Brahmin doing hereditary worship of Saptasringi goddess. He is restless without peace of mind. Shama came to Vanipuri and began enquiring the house of Saptasringi temple priest. Shama by mere coincidence came to the house of Kakaji Vaidya, enquiring the house of Saptasringi goddess priest house. When Shama came and enquiring the house of Saptasringi goddess priest, Kakaji Vaidya replied, I am the priest of Saptasringi goddess. I am Kakaji Vaidya. On seeing you, I felt the presence of Sai in my house. Please tell me what I can do for you. Then Shama revealed to him his mother's woe to Saptasringi goddess. Baba's ordered to him to go to Vanipuri to fulfill his mother's woe. Shama asked Kakaji Vaidya, how is it? You are the priest of Saptasringi goddess. How then you came into contact with Sai Maharaj of Shirdi? I have seen you uttering Sai Sai. Then Kakaji Vaidya started telling his story. I am the priest of Saptasringi goddess. I took this profession as a hereditary from my forefathers. I have been suffering a restless life, severe mental disorder, maybe due to my earlier birth's demerits. My own relatives deceived me, as my earlier birth's demerits placed me in an unfavorable situation. The merits placed me on the way to realize God. I have been praying Saptasringi goddess to give me peace of mind. The goddess, on seeing my pitiable condition, one day appeared in my dream and said, my child, see Baba, you get relief from your present restlessness of mind. Kakaji Vaidya thought, when Saptasringi goddess is mother, Lord Shiva is Baba, that is father. So he left for Trayambak to worship Lord Shiva. He did it for 10 days. There is no improvement in his health. He came back to Vani and again prayed to goddess Saptasringi. The goddess appeared again in his dream and said, my child, I asked you to see Baba. You went to Trayambak. I mean Baba is Shirdi Sai Baba. You worshipped Shiva. Please visit and see Shirdi Sai Baba. You must have a master before you reach the God. That is what Saptasringi goddess told to Kakaji Vaidya. Kakaji Vaidya began thinking how to reach Baba. He do not know how to reach Shirdi. He thought in his mind that unless Baba himself arranged to take him to Shirdi, it is not possible for him to go to Shirdi. So sitting in front of his house, he began uttering Sai Sai. Please show mercy on me. Take me to your abode. He surrendered completely at Baba's feet. This is the end of chapter 60. Om Sai Sri Sai Jai Jai Sai.